Hello student, welcome to DSCJ Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrakot District, Ramban. Class 6 to 10th, subject English Grammar, topic the articles. आर्टिकल में कल हमने बात की थी इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल की, ए और एन के यूज़ की. आज हम बात करेंगे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द की. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द होता क्या है? द is called definite article because it always point out some particular person, place or thing. यानी द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इसको क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ये पॉइंट आउट करता है कोई पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, द अम्ब्रेला ही हैड इज स्टोलन. द अम्ब्रेला ही हैड इज स्टोलन. This is the boy who had stolen my book. This is the boy who had stolen my book. ये वो लड़का है जिसने मेरी किताब चुराई. अब यूज ऑफ द के यूज क्या है? सबसे पहले पहला यूज, द इज यूज बिफोर ए वर्ड डिनोटिंग ए पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, थिंग्स और वन विच इज वेल नोन or already mentioned or immediately to be introduced. यानी द कहाँ यूज होता है? बिफोर ए वर्ड डिनोटिंग पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. कोई पर्टिकुलर पर्सन होगा या चीज़ होगी या जो वेल नोन होगी कोई चीज़, या ऑलरेडी मेंशन होगा या इमीडिएटली इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए जिसे, उससे पहले द यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज द पेन यू गेव मी. दिस इज द पेन यू गेव मी. लेट अस गो टू द सिनेमा. लेट अस गो टू द सिनेमा. We met the home secretary. We met the home secretary. दूसरा यूज कहाँ है? द इज यूज बिफोर ए कॉमन नाउन इन द सिंगुलर. द इज यूज बिफोर ए कॉमन नाउन इन द सिंगुलर टू डिनोट ए क्लास और काइंड. टू डिनोट ए क्लास और काइंड. द रोज इज द क्वीन ऑफ ऑल फ्लावर्स. द रोज इज द क्वीन ऑफ ऑल फ्लावर्स. The camel is the ship of the desert. The camel is the ship of the desert. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. Note: no article is placed before man or woman used in general sense. No article is placed before man or woman used in general sense. For example, man is mortal, woman is fan. थर्ड यूज द का, द इज यूज बिफोर द नेम ऑफ फॉलोइंग्स. किस नेम के पहले, किन किन के नेम्स के पहले द लगता है? रिवर्स, सीज, गल्फ, कैनाल, डेजर्ट, वेंट्स, बेस, माउंटेन्स, माउंटेन रेंजेस, बट नॉट ए सिंगल माउंटेन आर पीक्स. यानी माउंटेन रेंजेस के साथ लगेगा लेकिन बट नॉट ए सिंगल माउंटेन आर पीक. ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स बट नॉट सिंगल आइलैंड्स एज द रेड सी, द गंगा, द पर्शियन गल्फ, द स्यूज कैनाल, द स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलका, द ट्रेड विंड्स, द बे ऑफ बंगाल, द हिमालयन, द एंडोमान्स. बट वी से माउंट एवरेस्ट, Sicily. But we say Mount Everest or Sicily. The is used before the name of ships, newspaper, journals, holy book, historical buildings as the Rajhas, the Hindustan Times, the Quran, the Gita, the Taj. But we says Lord Krishna's Gita, Tagore's Gitanjali. But we say Lord Krishna's Gita, Tagore's Gitanjali. The is used before important events. The mutiny, the Great War, the Indo-Pak War. The Great War, the Indo-Pak War. These are important events. And the is used before natural phenomena, direction, etc. as the south, the sky, the hills, the sun, the earth, etc. The is used before the places or countries found of a compound words are derived from proper names. The is used before place or countries formed of compound word are derived from proper names as the UP, the USA, the Punjab. The is used before a nation or a community as the English, the French, the Hindus, the Sikh. The is used before a nation or a community as the English, the French, the Hindus, the Sikh, etc. नेक्स्ट यूज आ जाता था का हमारे पास द इज यूज बिफोर ए प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव फॉलोड बाय नोन व्हेन द नोन इज रिक्वायर्ड एन आर्टिकल द मद्रास गवर्नमेंट द इंडियन सोल्जर the is used before a proper adjective followed by a noun when the noun required an adjective articles as the Madras government, the Indian soldier, but we say Kashmiri silk, Burma rice. Here silk and rice are material noun and ordinarily they do not require any article. जो material noun होता है उसको article की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. Next use आता है the का. The is used before an adjective when the noun is understood. यानी द कहाँ यूज होता है एडजेक्टिव के पहले लेकिन जहाँ नाउन अंडरस्टूड हो. बिफोर एन एडजेक्टिव व्हेन द नाउन इज अंडरस्टूड. द रिच पीपल यानी यहाँ द रिच शुड हेल्प द पोर. यहाँ पीपल जो अंडरस्टूड है द रिच शुड हेल्प द पोर. नेक्स्ट यूज आ जाता है द का. द इज यूज बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव फॉलोड बाय ए नाउन. सुपरलेटिव के बाद नाउन आ गया. ही इज द बेस्ट प्लेयर. ही इज द बेस्ट प्लेयर. बिफोर द इज यूज बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री से पहले द लगेगा. ही इज द बेस्ट प्लेयर. Even the darkest cloud has silver lining in it. Even the darkest cloud has silver lining in it. Next use the का. The is used before adjective of positive degree having the force of superlative degree. Positive degree होगी लेकिन force किसकी करता है superlative. जैसे पंडित नेहरू was the leader of India. It means the greatest leader of India. Pandit Nehru was the leader of India. It means the greatest leader. That is the way to do it. That is the way to do it. It means the best way. That is the way to do it. The is used before adjective in the comparative degree when selection is meant. जब दो में से सिलेक्शन करने होगी तब द का. Reem and Rashid are friends. Reem and Rashid are friends. Reem is the abler of the two. यानी दोनों में से like कौन है किसकी सिलेक्शन. Reem is the abler of the two. The is used before a pair of comparative adverbs in parallel clause. The is used before pairs of comparative adverbs in parallel clauses as the higher you go, the colder you feel. The higher you go, the colder you feel. The more you get, the more you want. The more you get, the more you want. The sooner, the better. The sooner, the better. Next use. The is used before a common noun to give it the meaning of abstract noun. The is used before a common noun to give it the meaning of abstract noun. The mother in her made her protect her children. The mother in her made her protect her children. यानी the motherly feeling in her. The mother in her mean the motherly feeling in her made her protect her children. The soldier felt the coward in him. The soldier felt the coward in him. Next use. The use of the is used before a proper noun as a common noun. The is used before a proper noun as a common noun. The India of today is making rapid progress. The India of today is making rapid progress. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Next use the ka. The is used before all sort of noun when they are used in a particular or special sense. The is used before all sort of nouns when they are used in a particular or special sense. The salt of sambar is very cheap. The salt of sambar is very cheap. The water of the Dal Lake is dirty. The water of the Dal Lake is dirty. The cotton of Egypt is costly. The cotton of Egypt is costly. The is used before a common noun as a substitute for possessive pronoun as. यानी the is used before a common noun as a substitute for possessive pronoun. किसका substitute होगा? Possessive pronoun का. As he gave me a blow on the head. He gave me a blow on the head mean my head. Death started him in the face. Death stared him in the face. यानी his face. Death stared him in the face. It mean his face. The is used before a noun to lend it emphasis. The is used before a noun to lend it emphasis. He is punctual to the minute. He is punctual to the minute. He carried out my order to the letter. He carried out my order to the letter. The is used before the adjective same and after the adjective all and both. The is used before the adjective same and after the adjective all and both. As this is the same boy as stole my pen. This is the same boy as stole my pen. All the boys were absent. All the boys were absent. Both the brothers were present. Both the brothers were present. The is used before the organ of the body. The is used before the organ of the body as the heart, the kidney, the brain, etc. The is used before in many fixed phrases. In the wrong, in the right. ये fixed phrases में भी use होता है. On the other hand, on the one hand, in the long run, on the way, by the way, all the same, all the better, to the contrary, on the point of, on the whole, put the sword. तो ये सारे phrases हैं, इनमें भी the का इस्तेमाल होता है. The pen is mightier than the sword. All the member of family are okay. The is used before a word denoting number, way or measure to give the idea of rates. यानी rates का idea देने के लिए, जैसे orange are sold by the dozen. Oranges are sold by the dozen. Milk is sold by the liter. Cloth is sold by the meter. Apple are sold by the kilograms. We can use the when we talk about the listening to the radio. We can use the when we talk about the listening to the radio, but we can say television or the television when we talk about broadcasting. But we can say television or the television when we talk about broadcasting. Songs are going on television or the television. The songs are going on television or the television. It is the name of system of broadcasting. Thank you.